Hey guys, Nash here. So Android Pie is out for Pixel phones and some other selected phones. But don't worry, you can install Android Pie even if you don't have Pixel phone. So guys, this is not our developer preview. This is final GSI, and in this video I will show you what's new here and also how you can install this on your phone. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is final GSI, comes with the latest security patch of July, and currently I'm using this on my Redmi Note 4 Snapdragon variant. So guys, everything is smooth, all multitasking gestures and those Android Pie animations are working flawlessly. Along with that, in Android Pie we get this new rotation button, so whenever you rotate your phone you will see this button on your navigation bar. So from there you can completely control your orientation. So guys, this is complete smooth ROM and there was not even a single problem while using this as my daily driver. Wi-Fi is working, Bluetooth is working, everything is working properly. And of course with Android Pie now you get this new kind of multitasking and new swipe gestures. So this is the future of multitasking, but I still miss those 3 buttons which I have been using for last 10 years. So in this new recent menu, when you swipe to your complete left, you find this clear all button, and that's very useful. So guys, in Android Pie we get this new adaptive battery feature, and with this feature I'm getting extra battery life. I have been using this ROM for last 7 days and I constantly got 9 hours of screen on time. And then many people complain about camera, so camera is working, and this is not our ordinary camera, this is Gcam. So Gcam is working on Android Pie and also on my Redmi Note 4, and that is the power of custom ROMs. Along with portrait mode we get AR sticker, same like you find in Pixel 2 phones and soon to release in Pixel 3 phone. So now you can have Android Pie and Gcam, and that's the cherry on the cake. So if you want to know how I enable VoLTE in this ROM and how I install Gcam in this ROM, you can watch a video in I button. Moving on, now we have in-call floating buttons, so when you are on call you can do other activities. Also you can manage your phone, definitely better than green line on status bar. Up next, in Android Pie now we have this new pixel imprint where you can use one fingerprint to sign in multiple apps. Also you can use Google Play or Samsung Pay via the same fingerprint, and you can sign up for many apps, and that will save you lots of time. And guys, even though Android Pie just released, I was able to root it with Magis Manager. So currently I have latest Android Pie rooted with Gcam install in my Redmi Note 4. And now I will show you how you can get the same on your phone. First of all, you need to download all these files. And make sure when you download this first GSI file, you extract that first and copy the IMG file and not the zip file. And now it's time to boot into TWRP recovery. Currently I'm using TWRP exclusive which supports treble ROM. Link for that will be in the description box below. So once you are in TWRP recovery, make sure you take full Android backup in case anything goes wrong. And then go to wipe and perform factory wipe on your phone. And now we are going to install a base ROM. For base ROM you can use any Oreo treble supported ROM. I already had Moki downloaded, so I'm going to install Moki treble ROM on my phone. Now this ROM is based on Android Oreo. Now go to install tab, tap on install image and install this Android P GSI file into your system. So once it's installed, go to Mount tab and select vendor here. So once that is done, go to your install tab again and install this GSH file 1, 2, 3. Make sure you install them in order. And now tap on reboot, and now you will have sweet Android P. First boot might take around 5 to 10 minutes, and if it takes more than that, perform this installation again or just simply restore your Android backup. So guys, this is just the beginning, and soon we are going to have many Android Pie custom ROMs and I'm going to review them all. And if you don't want to miss that, don't forget to press the bell icon and like this video if you appreciate my work on this channel. This is your friend Naya signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.